Hey guys, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I will be showing you how to take some pipe cleaners and turn them from that to this. These are amazing DIYs that look high-end, and we're going to jump right in so I can show you how I made these. You're going to start with some of this cone that is made from paper mache. I would not recommend styrofoam because we'll be using a hot glue gun, but I do need to give you a close-up of how beautiful the texture of these pipe cleaners are. They're Chanel, of course. They're not all created the same. Some pipe cleaners look like metal and straw, and they don't bend well, but these are very beautiful. I love the texture, and they come with these tones, and there were three in a pack rather, with all of those fall colors, which is perfect. So I'm going to be going ahead and just sort of circling around the styrofoam and then scoring it and using it for some height differentiation, because my cones, they were sort of all the same height, like around 9.8 inches, but at the end it really didn't make a difference. So we're going to go ahead and prep these pipe cleaners now. All you're going to do is take one out and you're going to fold it in half, making sure that the ends meet and are even, and then you're going to pinch the other end to get a nice clean cut. Now you're going to take a half of that half and you're going to go ahead and bend that over again. Same thing, making sure that it's even on the ends, pinching the other side and getting a nice clean cut. Now you're going to take that final piece and bend it over on itself and make sure that the ends are even, and that's how you get started. So I've done every color. In this tri-pack of these fall colors, there were 300, so you get 100 of each. So I had plenty left over for other projects throughout the fall season. Now the fun part, we're going to grab our glue gun and get started. So all you want to do is just add some glue, and you're going to go ahead and get whatever color you're using and make sure that the open end is facing up and the closed end is facing down. You want to sort of put them close together. You don't want too much space in between. And that's all there is to it. The only other thing is making sure that the bottom of the closed end is even with the bottom of the cone. Once again, adding the foam for me was optional, and it really didn't make that much of a difference. So you can definitely skip that. And if you do want it to overlap, there's another technique that I can show you later. But once you get that first row done, it goes pretty quick from there. You're just going to start again, but just making sure that with the second row, it's overlapping the top of the first row. And it really is that simple, guys. You just want to make sure that when you do apply them, that they sort of look even on the bottom of the second row. So that way when you get the end result, it looks super neat, like you purchased these in the store. And they are so pretty, these pipe cleaners, that they actually look like velvet. They are so luxe looking, and you can see it goes pretty quickly. Now, when you get to the very top of the cone, you just want to take one and bend the ends up. And then you can apply some hot glue and place it on top. I only needed 2 for each one of these. Or you can take one and just add a little dab of hot glue and sort of lay it over. But I like this technique a lot better because it looks neater to me. And voila, guys, this looks so pretty. It looks better in person. It looks very high-end, like velvet loops. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And I repeated that process with all the colors. I love this dark chocolate brown. It's so striking in person. It almost looks like a faux fur. It's just so pretty, the dark brown. It's like a chocolatey color. And as you can see, I did the lighter color too, in the beigey cream color. I've done one with all, like a multicolored one with tears, with the ombre effect. But with this ombre one, I'm going to show you, if you just lift up the very end of it a little bit, it will give it a whole new look that is so fabulous. Wow, guys, do you see this? What? Pipe cleaners, no doubt. Pipe cleaners. I'm telling you, crafting is so much fun, and when you really get into it, you come up with so many different ideas and techniques, and I absolutely love this one. I hope you try this. I can leave the link to these pipe cleaners in the description box below if you're interested. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It allows others to find my channel, and hit the bell twice when you do subscribe so you'll know whenever I upload new videos with new DIYs and decor and so much more coming up for fall. I just can't wait. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. I love you guys, and thank you all for watching.